They throw signs, ain't no treatment. Take that dive out the deep end on that slime of lesions. They can go, I don't need no sit back. Just need you to sit back. Point me with that chick.
What up? Oh, my camera a little blurry. My camera's a little blurry. What up, YouTube? A little blurry, man. What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. And today, we gonna be in the house. I'm watching my niece with my mom at work. But today, we really gonna be in the house. I'm about to make me some breakfast. My hair do look a little messed up right now, but I just woke up, so I don't really care. But yeah, I'm gonna make me some breakfast and brush my teeth and stuff like that. Let's get into this video today. We really ain't gonna be doing nothing. Stop. We're not gonna be doing. Hold on. This cat being bad, bro. Stop. Bro, you going your kid? Yeah, you going your little thing. You know you being bad, bro. You know you being bad. Keep it up, you going your thing. But yeah, I'm finna make me some breakfast. You playing, bro? You think? All right, Draco. You on your cage, but yeah, my niece wanted flour ravioli, so I made it that. Yeah. But today, me making me breakfast. Oh, my phone. Today I'm gonna be making breakfast. Don't feel like making real pancakes, so I'm gonna use pancake minis. But I'm having pancakes, sausages, and eggs. Let's get the eggs. We don't got now. I don't think we got now. Yeah, today we're just gonna be chilling today. We're gonna be in a little house all day for real. I really got things to do in the house. I gotta wash clothes, all that stuff like that. But right now we're just gonna eat. Then we can get in the shower, get out the shower, wash clothes, and just chill for the rest of the day. But yeah, let's get this breakfast cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook the sausage first. I'm gonna use this pan. I'm gonna mix it out. Hey, put in the comments whatever you tell y'all videos wanna be. Y'all wanna see. I have been like a little off on grind with TikTok and YouTube, cause I ain't gonna lie. I just been, yeah, I'm on a little bit. But yeah, I've been out on a little bit, guys, and stuff like that. So I haven't been on my grind, but I'm back on my grind. And yeah, it's not about being consistent. It's just when you do this, time just like runs away. But yeah, I'm gonna stop with that and yeah, be consistent. But sometimes I do need a little break. I am gonna need a little break to recuperate myself. So yeah. I'm looking for that little stuff. Yeah. This stuff right here. The spray. And that stuff to spray. Yeah, I'm looking for the syrup. Yeah. I'm looking for syrup. Or should I use this one? I don't know which one. Yeah, these are pancakes right here. I'm gonna put them over there so I'm ready to cook them. Or put them in the microwave. I'm trying to figure out what the syrup is. That's what I was looking for. I hope they put the syrup in the refrigerator. That's not what syrup goes. I be telling them that. That's not what things go. You don't got no syrup? Nah. Can't. We gotta have syrup. Hold on. Cause what? Freak. Want juice? Alright. Yeah, this cat being annoying.
First, I have to go get my cup.
Yeah, go get it. Bro, stop, Draco. You ain't getting in my way. Go get your cup. It's in the room. Why would it be up here? I go tell me first go get my cup. She just didn't make sense right now. She said, let me go get my cup. She looked up here, staring here looking for a cup. Why are your cup being here? You know you put your cup out last night. It was in your room. Yeah, basically. I mean, yeah, in your room. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think we got syrup. My breakfast is ruined.
It's a click. It's click backs. See? It's click backs.
Let me see. Let me pour it.
It clicks backs. Yeah. It clicks backs.
Hold this. What type juice? Draco, get out the. You about to go in your cage. It's on. You keep being in the kitchen. I'm trying to cook, bro. Well, I don't think I'm cooking no more. But I'm still gonna make sure it work. We just gonna have to eat it dry. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry, bro. And I believe we do that shit. Everything's not looking right. Melina probably took it. Yeah, my sister probably took it. Cause it ain't no way I should. But I'm still about to cook. I really don't like syrup eating for real. I like eating my pancakes sometimes dry. These ones I can eat dry. Cause like they got little maple in them. So yeah, I can eat dry with these ones. Oh, I ain't pour your juice. My bad. Okay, ain't my bad, sorry. I ain't pour your juice. I'm gonna pour whatever this brush tea I had. Cause I don't feel like getting a big thing of juice off the cabinet, then it's not even cool. What are you saying? What you saying?
I said JJ.
Yeah, who that? What you saying?
I said JJ.
Who JJ?
The Cocomelon.
Oh, cool. Alright. I'm gonna need like a little four sausages. 4 sausages, and then we're gonna try with these eggs. I just put some of these look crap. I'm gonna move this out the way. Alright, we got the eggs. Let me get these partial started for everything to cook at one time. I only need 2 eggs. One more just in case. No shells either. Every time I do my eggs, no shell going there. Alright. Let's go here. Turn this down. Oh, I'm tweaking. That's why I was doing that, because I ain't. Yeah, no butter in that. Let's turn this on for it won't be no. say, when you cook stuff like that, it get real smoky. Alright, when I season my eggs, I put a little sweetness in there. I use Slut Your Mama salt. I use Slut Your Mama and salt. Put a little bit to taste it. And I like to use this green herb stuff, but I don't got it. I don't think I got no more green herb stuff, but I like to use it. I use some of this cheese in there before and after. I think I had this small one somewhere too. I don't know what happened to it. Alright. Use like you there. For the eggs. Mix them. What the frick is this? I thought it was a plastic. A little more Slut Your Mama. I wish I had a paper plate, bro. I think I had a paper plate. Please tell me you're not out of paper plates. I'm gonna use this to make my sausages. I mean my pancakes. Alright, put in my ear. I'm really gonna have about 6. A little good 6. Alright, we're gonna put these 2 seasonings back. The eggs are clearly cooking right now. We got the sausage almost done. We got to take them off the stove soon. I'll put them on another one of these plates. I have not got the food plates. right there. This how she gets got done and add them to the whole plate. These are the sausages. Yeah. Just got done. I'm gonna put the thing like that. No. I think I used too much eggs. I think I used too much eggs. I don't even know for sure. I hope I did. For egg cooking. I'm gonna get up to the fruit. I'm gonna have with it only a little bit greasy. I'm gonna put them in like a little thing. This is the cabin to keep all the foods. I'm gonna use a matter of fact, I'm just gonna use a find me some grapes. This should be clean them. I'm gonna try one. Mix it. Before we get in the shower, I gotta wash some dishes. Before I eat, wash the dishes I made. And I made too much eggs. Oh, I know I should use utensils. Dang, get a little bit more crispier. That's because everything will be hot. Pancakes, I'm about to dip them in it. Watch it on some. Let me get me a little plate to eat on. I'm gonna use this little bowl to eat on. We out of paper plates. I was going to use. What should I use? What should I use this to eat on? I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna wash it off. Cheese is almost done. I'm gonna get pancake cooking. Watch this one. Cheese in there. So you want some eggs or no? She want to eat ravioli, so she probably want to eat ravioli.
Yes, I want some eggs.
Alright.
And yes, I say yes.
Her eggs gonna go out here. I'm gonna find something else to make the eggs. I got you. Alright, so what I'm about to do now, got them pancakes warming up. Let's put these sausages up here. Get these grapes up here. What's some grapes? Curry a little bit of grape. Give her some grapes. Yep. Add my egg. See what I said? I'm gonna do the pancakes last because I think they done already. I think. That's all I'm gonna do, the pancakes last. Because I think they done. And I was just warming them up because I didn't want to feel like cooking a real pancakes. That would have been too much dishes. I was gonna wash them out. This is left my mom. I'm gonna be back. Probably right now. She just yeah, my mom is way back right now actually. She just got off work. Yep, they are done. So you want a pancake? Alright. This little pot. Alright guys. Breakfast is done. I'm gonna show you what I'm eating. I'm gonna go put this on the table. Yeah, whatever I was doing, I'm trying to get. I ain't fully watching the dishes. I just took my niece. She was using for her raviolis, and I washed it up. And then use it. Yeah. I'm gonna put this back to this. Y'all probably couldn't hear me the whole time because that. I'm glad I got that cut up because I got my food just sitting on the thing. Literally sitting on the thing. Alright, guys, let's go eat. Show y'all the food. This is what it's looking like. Ain't too bad, ain't it? Alright, so I'm gonna be trying it. Want sausage?
Yeah, chocolate. I was starving.
I didn't really want no sausage. I made too much for myself. So I just give it to her. It's good. It's a pancake. I'm rocking with it. Let's go get me a bath. That's what I'm rocking out with. Yeah. I cooked. I woke up late, and I did cook breakfast late. I'm just not eating. It's 1:29. I'm just not really eating. Cause I woke up late. That's the only reason why I'm eating like that. I had to get some food in my system. I probably why is it in the pancake dry? I don't got no syrup. I know it's hungry. When y'all think y'all gonna see this video? Like, when y'all think y'all gonna see it? Like, tomorrow? The day after tomorrow? I'm gonna see this video probably today afternoon. Like, later. Like, around 12 o'clock. Tomorrow, yeah. I ain't made no TikTok in a while. I ain't made nothing in a minute. I've been trying to keep, like, to keep up on everything. Sometimes it just be like, damn. But all this should be a full enough month for us. I ain't gonna lie. A good little month for us. I ain't gonna lie. Back to school shopping. I'm not starting school early. I'm not starting school early because I gotta get transferred to a new school. So school kids will be starting school on the 29th. I mean, the 18th, I'll be starting school probably the week after. I mean, the week after, or the next week after. Now, so, this is my plate. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I haven't really been commenting on my videos. Like, you know, what we're talking about. I'll try to get up and make good content.
Uncle, how do you jump that soda too fast?
Because I'm thirsty. Let's get into these dishes, man.
My grapes.
I want for the dish to drop, dishwasher. I mean, the dishwasher. We don't gotta get. So I gotta wash the dishes. I'm waiting for that. What you going? We wash the dishes. We gonna get our little shower started. Get out the shower. Then I'm gonna show y'all the journey. Me washing my clothes. And then we just gonna chill out. We wanna chill out. Pimple. We're going through it. I can see the scratches. Look, pimples coming on my face. Sit down and eat your food. You got rubber all over your shirt. Did you change your pamper?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't. Let's go get these dishes washed. Y'all ain't gonna really see me washing the dishes, so matter of fact, what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna hit y'all back after I'm done washing dishes. Y'all ain't really see me. That's what see me doing dishes for real. Yeah. Y'all can't really see me doing dishes for real. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when the dishes done, and yeah. Alright, I just got done doing the dishes. I don't know the password. You're gonna have to wait. I really don't. Dishes is clean. Kitchen is clean. I don't know. She eat her food. She don't eat it in the mouth. Leave it there. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna let the cat back out. Look at Draco, bro. Come on. Hey, Draco, bro. Bad luck, kid. Bad luck, kid. Go. You better not. Go in there and watch TV. Get the thing.
I don't know the password.
I don't care. Go in there and watch Cocomelon. She thinks she's gonna be in here doing stuff, doing things. Nah. Well, alright. Alright. I'm gonna get tapped in with the shower. Since I'm gonna be in the crib. Yeah. Put on any. I gotta wash clothes. I don't got no more shirts for real. But since I'm gonna be in the crib, I'm just gonna throw on anything. I'm gonna throw on anything. Cause I ain't really throw anything. I'm gonna get into my TikToks tomorrow. Probably matter of fact, I'm gonna do something today, but it's gonna be later on today. I've been trying, guys. I'm gonna throw in these little shorts. I'm gonna throw in these little shorts. With the PSD. Yeah, we gotta do that. I think I might have some shirts. Yeah, I gotta watch closer. I do no more shirts. This is the last shirt I got. I got some stains on it. What's this? What's in here? What's in here? But yeah, I don't got no more shirts. This last shirt I got. While I'm in the shower, I'm gonna bump some tunes. Let's hold this charge. Yeah, I'm gonna bump some tunes while I'm in the shower. Like when I get out, we just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna throw my little trash can out because my mom cut some. I don't eat pork chops for real. But when I got back from my sister's house yesterday, I was hungry. Cause we were literally out. We wasn't out all day. They just took me home real quick. But I was hungry. I got home. I bust them pork chops down. I said I don't eat pork chops. That's crazy. But I bust them down anyway, bro. this shit be macaroni and yams. Them yams was hitting. It was nice. Them yams was busting. But here's my little trash can. I'm gonna put it in here. Turn the kitchen light off. When she left, this is how the kitchen was. But yeah, turn that light off because I was. Yeah. Draco, who put you back in your cage? Because I sure didn't. Or you not in your cage, alright. But yeah. Don't lock the. Give it to me. Because you're going to lock it. You probably already did. Make sure you don't lock it. Because you ain't going to have them try to tell you lock it. Alright, but yeah, this one will be wearing for real. And stuff like that. I ain't trying to get my freeforms wet, but I'm going to get on wet anyway. And then I gotta look for some lock-in. This should work. Looking for some lock-in juice. Yeah. But I think I already got some. My sister for sure showed me some. I think she took it over to her house. Let me see some. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this one. I think this is jam. I don't know. I'm just gonna rub it together, put it in there. Yeah. We're gonna try this because this is for my freeforms. Yeah, it's for my freeforms. Let's start the shower. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower. This stuff, get things situated. Ooh. When I got shot, I'm gonna hit y'all boys back. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I got a freeform suit. Get a little messed up right now. Cause I got in the shower and water getting on it. Yeah, but when I finish drying stuff, I'm gonna re-sponge it. Add some of this stuff in there to like lock it back up. But yeah, it should, when it dry, this should come back. But anyway, let's get into washing my clothes. I just got the shower, bro. That shower felt so good. So right now I'm about to wash my clothes. I'm trying to get my freeforms though. You see? I'm just gonna let it dry. Let my hair dry. But yeah. I'm about to wash these clothes and stuff like that. And then after I wash my clothes, I'm gonna for real, chill out. I might end the vlog like when my clothes done. I don't know. But I might end the vlog because yeah, I don't know. But we gotta go wash these clothes. Whatever happens. Where's my drink? I'm thirsty. And yes, I did brush my teeth while I was in the shower. So don't even come in these comments saying I didn't brush my teeth. And yes, I'm back in the kitchen because that's what they had. Where is yeah, I'm back in the kitchen. Cause that's what the dishwasher is. Like the kitchen over here, the dishwasher put it back down. Okay, I found my drink. But yeah, I'm gonna be washing these clothes. Getting these clothes right. Right now, you have to hear me, but y'all can't see me. I'm gonna try to put you right here. I can't see. Get better. The clothes. Wash machine right here. When we make it out, we're not. Our washing machine is broke. The water keeps piling up on it, so now I gotta go get some quarters and wash it out in a thing. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I might not got no quarters, and I need my clothes washed. I think I got some quarters, but I need my clothes washed. So I don't know how I'm. New wardrobe coming soon. Back to school wardrobe video coming soon. I probably do got some. Me. I gotta look through this thing. Got some quarters. I forgot the washing machine is broke. Gotta wash clothes. Sorry. I'm out of like. Who's that? So I can't wash my clothes. I don't got no quarters. So what I'm about to do is put my clothes in the washing machine out there. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go do that. Oh yeah, and I heard somebody call my name and I was tripping and I forgot. I was vlogging, so I was looking for some quarters around the house. And yeah, that's what took me so long. Well, to y'all, it didn't take me no longer than a second, but that's what took me a second to come in. But we about to go put these clothes in the washing machine. Oh, never mind. Where did the string come from? Oh. I'll be right back. See the screen? I just put my clothes in there. We gonna hit it with some stuff to wash. So yeah, bro. Yeah. Some in there.
Look the cat, Bubba. Look that cat. Look at that.
I see a cat.
He's not asleep. He's just playing with that.
Saya, can you stop being annoying? Just keep talking. Alright, I'm back. I just put my clothes in the washing machine. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Only reason I'm in here, I'm not gonna lie, I might go catch up on some sleep because I haven't really been getting there and stuff like that. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my notifications, and yeah.
They throw signs, ain't no treatment. Take that dive out the deep. On that slime or lesion. Fuck these hoes, they can go.